In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animation effect on chess.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a new player or a seasoned chess enthusiast, adding animation effects can enhance your gaming experience, making it more visually appealing. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head over to chess.com. This is the main hub for playing chess online, where you can not only play games but also learn new strategies and tactics. Once you're there, take a look at the top left corner of the web page, where you'll find the login option. Click on it to proceed. If you already have an account, you'll need to enter your username and password in the designated fields. This step will get you into your account and give you access to all its features. However, if you created your account using Google, Apple or Facebook, chess.com provides a swift option to log in with those credentials as well. Simply click on the respective option and select your preferred account. It's quick and convenient. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the fun stuff. Hover over the play option, which you will find on the left side menu. When you're ready, go ahead and click on play again to start a game. Then you'll see a play button on the screen. Click on it to begin. Once you're in the game interface, you're just a few clicks away from setting up the animation effects. Within the game interface, look around for the settings menu. This is often represented by a gear icon, or sometimes it might be listed under a more option. This menu holds the key to customizing your gameplay experience, including visuals and animations. Once you are in the settings menu, search for the option labeled board animation. This is where the magic happens. Make sure to turn this setting on if it's not already activated. Enabling board animation will breathe life into your game, as pieces will move across the board with smoother, visually appealing transitions. If you're a customization fan, chess.com offers some additional options. Depending on the version of chess.com you're using, you might have several animation styles or speeds to choose from. Feel free to explore these settings and pick what suits your style best. Experimenting with these can give you a fresh perspective each time you play, keeping the experience both dynamic and enjoyable. And there you have it, folks. With the board animation setting enabled, you're all set to enjoy a lively and engaging chess game on chess.com. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to adjust your settings to your liking. See you next time and enjoy your game.